Okay, next we're going to add a sort feature to the student index page. So go ahead and go over to your students. Go to index. And what we're going to do is go to the code behind and set a sort on all of our columns. Go ahead and type your 4 sort strings. Go ahead and pause here and type. Then we're going to modify our onGetAsync. Let me clean this up a little bit. With some code to actually sort each of the columns when a person clicks or a user clicks on the column heading. Go ahead and pass the string for the sort order. And then replace all the code in the onGetAsync with the following. Go ahead and pause here. Oops, hang on. Go ahead and type that out. Pause here and type all this out. We're going to actually use link to actually store a collection of the students, and then we're going to change the sort order either ascending or descending based on name or date. If we look up here, the actual click event in the page is going to allow us to define the sort order and pass it to the onGetAsync. And this is going to actually switch it between ascending or descending depending on its current value. Now go to the index.html. And we're going to make some changes here to actually modify the headers. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the last name header modification. Just type the code as you see it displayed there. And then we're going to do the same thing for enrollment date. We're not changing the mid name or first name because we're not going to provide a sort order based on the first name. Okay, go ahead and pause here and type it out as you see it above. Go ahead and run it. Go to your students page, and you'll see now that they're a hyperlink, and clicking on them will change the sort order. Go ahead and stop it. Okay, let's add a search box. Add a new argument to pass a string from the search box. Go ahead and store the value. And then provide the mechanism to actually search or filter the data using link. Okay, go ahead and go to the index page, and we're going to go ahead and add a search box here. And let's go find out where we want to put it. Right after create new would be a good place, right about here. Okay, go ahead and pause and type in that HTML. Okay, let's go ahead and try and test it and see if it works. Go to students and find by name Hamilton. And there we go, we have 2 Hamiltons.